Good morning. This is just a quick tutorial to explain a bit on the fair value gaps. This is BTC's chart. Let me see if I can find maybe a good move to really explain this. Let me look at this. So basically, a fair value gap is a three candle pattern where, for example, you have this first candle here, then you have this second candle, which is like very long expansion, and then you have a third candle. Now what happens is that between the first and the third candle, there is that space where they are basically not touching, and that tells you a little bit more on the momentum and where is it heading to. And if you can just look in this whole move, you'll basically be able to pick up, a few of those. So basically, it's just an indication. It gives you a sort of an overview where the market is, heading to. You quite have few of them, and then whenever you have a retracement, like you have the retracement here with three candles, even here with three candles, but yet they don't form any gap, meaning that the market is just retracing. It's not bearish yet, because when it's bearish, then it will have a confirmation of your fair value gaps, pointing to the downside. So you have quite a few of them, and then whenever you have a retracement in those fair value gap, then you have you are expecting a reaction, like we see here. Like you see here, there is another one, and normally when the retracement comes in, what happens, it basically, this will be your entry point. So if you know that you have been having all this, and then you have another one, and then you have see the market retracing, basically you wait for it in that zone there. That will be now your zone. You wait for it in that zone, and then obviously for those ones that already know how to trade, you know what your entry confirmation will be like. So you know what you'll be looking at when the market comes into this area. So again, you see a couple of them again going, pointing up, and then yeah, every single time the market try to retrace back into that zone, you see a reaction from the market. But then again, once you see a retracement, and then you see again, and you see the market is retracing, but then you have this forming, then is telling you that the market is now changing direction. As you can see, the market flashed down all the way here, then it tries to come back, but as soon as it hits this zone here, it just went down again. But then you must also now looking at your chart. If you see these, you have fair value gaps going down, and then you start having fair value gaps going up again. Again, this will start to indicate a consolidation. So you must just be very careful about it. So basically what you then be doing is you'll be marking out your highs and your lows, so that you can be entering. Here you have a sell, and then as soon as you come down here will be your take profit, and then up there again will be another and then take profit. You start buying because you know that okay, the market is sort of entering consolidation phase. But yeah, we'll see how it goes during the day. But basically, in short, fair value gaps are sort of just an indication where the market is strongest, whether it's bearish or bullish. Then it will give you sort of an indication where your market is heading to. I hope that makes sense.